Hi everyone, this is the original video. My name is Aksheva. Today's date is 19 March 2022. Today's video topic is Java linked list. The Java linked list is a class uses the double linked list to store the elements. It it provides the linked list is the data structure in a it inherit the abstract list class and implements the list and decoder interface. The important part of the Java linked list. Java linked list. The Java linked list is a class can be contain the duplicate elements. The duplicate element and the Java linked list class maintain the insertion in the order, and the Java linked list is the non-synchronized, and in Java linked list is class manipulation in the faster is faster because of no shifting needs to the occurs. The Java linked list class can be used the list, stack and queue. It shows the above the Java linked list class extend the abstract sequentially list and class and implement the list can the decoy interface. Double linked list it the in double linked list we can add or remove element from the both sides. From the both sides, the linked list is class in declare. How to class in declare in linked list from the java.util.linked list is class. The constructor of the Java linked list is the constructor the Java linked list, and Java linked list is linked linked list. It used to the constructor and the empty the list. The linked list is the collections the less than extends e variable and greater than to the it used to the constructor the list containing the elements of the specific the collection in order. They are the returned by the collection is the iterator. The methods the methods in the Java linked list the methods boolean add to it. It's used to the appends the specific element to the ends of the list, and void add bracket into index and each elements. It used to the insert the specific the element at the specific position in the index in the list. The boolean add all collections less than into extends to the e. It used to the appends of the appends of the all the elements in the specify the collection to the ends of this list in the order that they are written by the specific collection in the iterator. Collection in the iterator. The boolean add all the collections. It used to the appends all the elements in the specific collection to end of this the list, and the order and the order that the are returned by the specific collection iterator. The link the boolean all the index and the collections. It used to the appends all the elements in the specific collection starting at the specific position of the list, and while add first elements e. It it used to the insert of the given element given elements at the beginning of the list. The add last elements it used to the appends the given elements to the end of the list, and the object clone method. The clone method is used to the return the showing copy of the array list, and the void and clear method. What clear method is to remove the elements from the list. The contain method is used to the return the iterator. Contain method used to return the true if the list contain a specific element and the descending literal method to use to the return and the iterator over the element in the DQ is the reserved sequence of the order, and element method to use to the iterative on the first elements of the list, and then the get method is used to the return the element at the specific position in the list. Thank you.